We did make it to 67 degrees, which is pretty nice by January standards. The normal's 56, the record is 78, and we were definitely, again, rain-free, at least in the metroplex. This is our Fair Park camera. It's a beautiful shot. There's not a whole lot going on. The weather's very quiet. It's nice and cool outside. 54 degrees in downtown Dallas, but a little bit more chilly around Denton, 41 degrees there. 52 in Greenville, 52 right now in Waxahachie. Satellite and radar showing the clouds that we've had since earlier today, and of course, a few raindrops here and there, but we have a lot of dry air really in place across the metroplex and areas to the north, which is why that rain had a really hard time making it into some of our hometowns. But we are expecting more changes on the way. We're expecting this cold front to move in overnight and into tomorrow morning. And as of right now, it still looks like it's going to move in sometime around 4, maybe 5 o'clock in the morning across DFW. As far as rain is concerned, still not expecting much of that. Wouldn't be surprised if we do get maybe a few sprinkles along the cold front, mainly north and east of the metroplex. The latest data is actually continuing to take it even closer to the Red River. Behind it, though, everyone will experience the difference in the wind. It is going to be blustery by tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be a north-northwest wind, so it's just going to make it feel that much more chilly outside. We're talking gusts around 35 miles an hour, temperatures around 60 degrees, which doesn't sound so bad until you add in that wind. So later in the afternoon, again, peak wind gust around 35. Later in the evening, though, that wind will subside again. So over the next several days, we're going to see lots of ups and downs, but we really don't see any big-time extreme numbers, high or low. We do have some cold fronts moving in, but they look pretty insignificant. They're not going to bring us any rain for now. So for tonight, partly cloudy. We're dropping down into the mid-40s. Tomorrow afternoon, partly sunny, cooler, but blustery. Again, the wind is what you're going to remember about tomorrow. A lot less wind on Thursday. Temperatures in the upper 50s. We're back to 60 degrees on Friday. Breezy that day. The weekend looks nice and quiet and cool. MLK Day, that's Monday. Temperatures in the upper 50s, partly cloudy, dry until Tuesday. That's when we actually do have a chance of rain, but right now it's a pretty low chance at best. The second half of that 14 day, we've got some warm temperatures, we've got some cold temperatures, but still no rain.